Hello, my name is Erika Joana Calderon. I am from of the city Pereira. I am studying industrial engineering. Step 3, Identity Technology Value, Dr. Juan Carlos Amezquita. A brainstorming diagram. Lack of information on production costs. Not having control of the process. Do not manage quality standards. Loss in production times, which is due to the lack of planning of the process. Poorly used or inefficient equipment, which increase costs in this area. High watts in production time, failure to enforce quality standards during design and production. Recommendation. Some think tank affects Colombian companies is that they do not have economies of scale. That is, they cannot reduce their costs when their production increases. Since many are not clear about how long it takes to the produce a good. From the time is already the customer until it is delivered, they do not implement basic rules of productive during production, such as classification and discarding, organization, cleanliness, hygiene, and visualization, and discipline and accompaniment. Recommends identifying what you need for your process and what long it takes to get it, as well as planning each step of production in advance. The product of a company can improve it to the extent that it plans. Reduce its costs and production times and optimize its resource. But in materials and works, among other factors, that depend on the internal operations. Thank you.